We interrupt this broadcast of pirate news to invite you to the time-traveling grimoire of Kaptain Viciorious.
I am a Viking skald lost in a terrible century. I'll be reading y'all a little selection of poetry today, so listen in, fellow travelers. Listen in. Poetry of a reception. Fog-laden skies obscure the summit, leaving the snow-blinded eyes unable to spy their goal. Mists descend from above, a cloud of white, to rest upon this place. His shoulders still show broad, coniferous aberrations abounding, green epaulets speckled white, give credence to his rank. Lofty, high above his brothers, Long's peak stands, while stony toes and fingers of ice dot the slopes and valley floor. The cloud ascends, a peak is revealed, a bald pate, the furrowed brow, a gnarled incline of rock and brush faces the tired pair of climbers. However, the ancient monolith smiles down, inviting them to tackle his dangerous apex. The couple travels through thick forests and over high passes, coming to a valley surrounded by snow-covered peaks. The rocky outcrop wears small pallid caps, while the tall alpine trees are speckled white. Winter's touch has now left this lofty place. The path winds round, back and forth, down the mountainside. The snow began to fall again as they passed beneath heavy laden pine trees, needles sprinkled in icy remembrance. Journey's end finds them standing on a stout wooden dock, stretched out into the calm, cool waters of Lily Lake. Hands joined, they pledged to forever endure together, passionate and indomitable. An uncle's love. An uncle's love has wisdom. With arms outstretched, he both holds kin close and at appendage's length, aching to feel and to persist. An uncle's love long endures, but faintly compares to that of a father. Recipe for change. A small pebble, a grain of sand, a gargantuan boulder, a loamy soil. Sift together, add petrol, throw match, watch it burn. Glazing over into glassy molten landscapes, the surface bubbles and fires, spewing heat into the atmosphere. The cookpot begins to boil. Unnamed lances race across uninhabited skies, seeking culprits, cultists, collusionists, and cronies, while the oceans rise with serpents of stained iron, wrapped in their new-made plastic wrappings, trappings. Forest floors find sparks and curses royal. Forth, royal, forth from the mouths of the speakers. Legends lie within an awaiting pose of an oily posse, ready to retaliate upon reminiscent resurgences of rights written by none. The rights of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. But what of the mother? What of the daughter? What of our earthly host? Carmina Avem. Wisdom comes from a birdsong at dawn. She cannot be captured nor pursued, but when found, as in an instance of madness, forget her We certainly must not. Solid parts. Rocky shoals guard the shore from the unending tide. The drifting and coastal sands towards oblivion. Rocky shoals break our boats in their stormy fury. Oblivious of the faded primates seeking more. Rocky shoals have endured the test of time. Mortality made oblivious to man. Thank you for tuning in today. And remember, I ride to allow all of y'all to see the wonders which continually relate themselves through telekinetic portals from dimensions unsounded, unbounded by time and space. Kaptain Viciorious, Grimior, is first in interdimensional travel, dead last in customer service.